Greetings, friends. I'm Athma, and welcome to RASA Chronicles, a new series from Udta Rasoiya. This isn't your usual recipe show. Here we dive into untold stories behind our food. Stories of kitchen shaped by traditions, beliefs, languages, and time. Stories stuck between memories, rituals, and forgotten manuscripts. This journey isn't just about flavor, it's about context. From temple kitchens to grandmother's remedies, today we begin with a humble ingredient found in every Indian kitchen, yet truly understood by a few. Garlic. Its aroma just doesn't stir hunger, it awakens memories. But it wasn't always like this. There was a time when garlic was looked at with disdain, when its use was seen as a break from purity. It had no place in temple pantries. Saints, monks, and gurus kept far from it. This is the story of garlic, a once dismissed spice that time has crowned with respect. In Indian philosophy, all things carry three qualities: sattva, pure and peaceful; rajas, active and stimulating; tamas, heavy and inert. Our food too is composed of these. Saatvik foods, milk, sprouts, fruits, calm the mind. Rajasic foods, spicy and bold, bring energy. And tamasic foods, like garlic and onions, are said to weigh the body down. That's why sages and yogis avoided garlic. They sought food that helped in meditation, not distraction. For them, purity came before taste, and garlic lay outside that boundary. Even today, many temples forbid garlic, not in offerings, not in sacred meals. Garlic heats the body. Its sharp aroma, its intense flavor, is believed to stir emotions like envy, desire, and pride. To dissolve in devotion, food must be peaceful, still, and sacred. A single tulsi leaf, a plate of fresh butter, a mind offered wholly to the divine. That was the saatvik approach. And garlic, by its very nature, stood outside that circle. The kitchen was a temple, and garlic the child of the demons. But with time, all boundaries shift. Ayurveda saw garlic as medicine, good for heart, powerful in immunity, vital for digestion, not just flavorful, but beneficial. In Hindu tradition, life is divided into four stages: brahmacharya, grahastha, vanaprastha, sannyasa. Sattvic food suited monks and celibates, whose goal was detachment and inner stillness. But majority of people, the householders, the one who worked, toiled, served, needed energy, and garlic became energy itself. For them, garlic was not just pungent, it was pranic, a vital force. It suited not ascetic, but the emotional, physical world of family life. As the influence of renunciants waned, social rules softened, need began to speak louder than taboo. The modern science confirmed what Ayurveda had all along known. That garlic is antibacterial, boosts immunity. People began to believe. Once the lab coat repeated the ancient wisdom, garlic gained respect. Flakes, powders, salt, butters, pickles, honeys, tinctures, oils, the crisp snap of roasted garlic, the rich dark depth of black garlic. No other spice or vegetable wears so many faces. And if one spice can transform itself so much, imagine how infinite the kitchen can be. Like King Bali, an Asura by birth, but immortal through his generosity. Like Prahalada, born of demon clan, yet pure in heart. So too is garlic, tamasic by origin, sharp by nature, but if you look deeper, a force that fights illness, strengthens the body. Today we understand, so its place has shifted, somewhere between demon and divine. A warrior of flavor, once kept outside the temple, now honored at the center of our plates. Garlic did not change, we did. We stopped running from its fire and learned to harness it. We stopped fearing its sharpness and began to respect it. And in doing so, garlic didn't travel from tamas to sattva, We journeyed from rejection to acceptance. Maybe that's what adaptation really means. That was the tale of garlic, and we'll return with many more stories where food reconnects us with the life itself. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. From RASA Chronicles by Udta Rasoiya, this is Athma signing off.